Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I wish everyone a happy holiday. I thank God as He is guiding us to finish this year, and I pray for a greater and better 2024. I will announce the winner of last week's giveaway later in this video, and I want to say thank you all for commenting. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys showed me, and we will also be doing another giveaway this week. The same rule, just comment, make sure you subscribe and like the video, and I'll announce today's winner next week. Good luck to everyone, and let's get into today's video. The first deal I have here will be on the soft soap liquid hand soap. They are part of the buy 3 get $4 extra care box back. Pick up 3, they are priced at $3.59 at my store. 3 of them are going to total $10.77. Check soft soap website. They have 50 cents coupon there that you can print out. Use 3, it will drop it down to $9.27. Pay that and get $4 back, making all 3 items $5.27 or $1.76 each. The next deal I have is on Colgate toothpaste. There are 2 deals going on with Colgate toothpaste this week, so if your store is not tagged, make sure you're checking online. Colgate Stain Fighter 4.2 ounces is part of the buy 2 get $3 extra care box back, and they are priced at $5.19 each. Picking up 2 will total $10.38. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply and drop it down to $6.38. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $3.38 or $1.69 each. Another Colgate deal I'll be sharing will be on the mouthwash. They are part of the buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 of the Colgate mouthwash priced at $6.29 each. These 2 items are going to total $12.58. We also have another 4 off 2 digital coupon that is applying to mouthwash or toothbrush. That will drop it down to $8.58. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $4.58 or $2.29 each. If you have a 3 of 18 Colgate CRT, you can combine the toothpaste and also this mouthwash deal together. And after all the coupons apply and the 3 of 18, you will end up paying just $11.96, and you get $3 back for buying 2 of the toothpaste and $4 back for buying 2 of the mouthwashes. That will end up making all 4 items $4.96 or $1.24 each. The next deal I have is when you buy any PolyDent or PolyGrip, you get $3 back, and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 1 of the PolyDent 3-minute daily cleanser. It's priced at $5.29. I have a $1.50 off PolyDent CRT that I'll be using with this deal. It's going to drop it down to $3.79. Pay that and get $3 back, making it just 79 cents. But you can go on their website and check to see if you can find any coupon. I am going to announce the winner for last week's giveaway, and the person I picked is Amy. Congrats and thank you for your comments. I will have my email on the screen and also in the description box. Please send me your email address, that way I can email you the CVS e-gift card. And I want to say thank you to everybody that participated. And don't forget that there is another one going on right now. And good luck to everyone. The next deal is spend $20, get $5 back on any Almay cosmetics, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up the Almay Perfecting Comfort Concealer. It's priced at $11.99. And also pick up 1 of the Almay Eyeshadow Quad, priced at $8.49. These 2 items are going to total $20.48. Today we received a $4 mystery offer, and that mystery offer is going to attach to Almay or Revlon. So if you need to do Revlon, you don't have to do the Almay. I also have a 4 of 14 Almay CRT. With these 2 $4 CRTs, it's going to drop it down to $12.48. Pay that and get $5 back. Check Ibotta because it's giving back $4 for the face and $3 for the eye. That will end up making both products 48 cents or 24 cents each. The next deal I have here is when you spend $12, you get $4 extra care box back on any CoverGirl cosmetics, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloves. It's priced at $11.99. And today we received a $4 mystery offer that will cover both CoverGirl and Sally Hansen. So if you're doing the Sally Hansen deal, make sure you don't do the cover girl. That way you can still use your $4 CRT. With this $4 mystery offer we got, it's going to drop it down to $7.99. Pay that and get $4 back, making it just $3.99. The next deal I have will be on the LA color gift sets. The one's priced at $9.99. They're on the deal of buy one, you get $5 back, and it's a limit of 2. Pick up one or you can pick up 2 depending on what you need. Pay the $9.99. You get $5 back, making it just $4.99. The next gift set deal I have here will be the one's priced $12.99. All these gift sets are on different promotions, so you can do each one 2 times. And also if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because they are not on sale. For the ones priced at $12.99, it's on the deal of buy one, you get $6 back. Pay the $12.99 if you don't have any CRT and you get your $6 back. That will end up making it just $6.99. And the third one will be the one priced at $4.99. Pay the $4.99 and you get $3 back, making it just $1.99. The next deal I have here will be on Head and Shoulder, and they are part of the buy 2 get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1. They also on sale for buy one get one 40% off. Pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner, or you can mix or match anyhow you like. One of them is going to be full price and the second one is going to be $4.79. And these 2 items are going to total $12.78. I have this $2 hair care CRT I received last week, and I also received another one today. And I have a $2 off Head and Shoulder CRT from last week, and today it doubled. I received 2 more. That's a total of $6 CRT for just the Head and Shoulder. And if you still have your 3 off 2 Head and Shoulder digital coupon, it will also apply to this. The total for the CRTs I have here is $10, and with the $3 digital coupon, that's more than the amount of the 2 items. That means one of the CRTs is going to adjust down and drop it down to 0. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items free and a $4 money maker. The next hair care deal I have is on Garnier Fruities. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up one of the shampoo or conditioner. You can mix or match anyhow you like. It's priced at $4.69 at my store, and these 2 items are going to total $9.38. I have a $1 off 2 Garnier Fruities CRT from last week, and I received another one today. And this $2 CRT is the same one I showed earlier on with the Head and Shoulder deal, and I received another one today. If you're not doing the Head and Shoulder deal, you can use it with this deal. These 4 CRTs are going to drop it down to $3.38. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items free and a 62-cent money maker. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on Olay body wash 22 ounces, Olay ribbons 18 ounces, or Old Spice body wash the 16 to 24 ounces, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Olay body wash. They're on sale for $6.99 each, and the 2 of them are going to total $13.98. We currently don't have any coupon for this, but you can add this to a 10 off 17x purchase CRT. But without the CRT, pay the $13.98 and get $2 back, making both items $10.98 or $5.49 each. This next item is not giving back any extra care box, but the Nivea Women Body Wash is on sale for $4.79 in case anyone needs it. The next item I have is the Nivea Men Body Wash. They're on sale for $3.99 and it's not giving back any extra care box, but I think this will make a good filler item if you have a 10 off 17x purchase CRT. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $5 back on Nivea hand and body lotion or facial care, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Nivea body lotion, the 8.4 ounces. They are priced at $7.49 each. That means the 2 of them are going to total $14.98. Check your app. We have a $1.50 coupon that is going to apply to 1. Then go to coupons.com and print out a second one for the second item. If you have a 3 off 12 lotion CRT, add it to this deal. That will drop it down to $8.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $5 back on Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll or Viva 6 Big Roll, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Cottonelle Mega Rolls. They are priced at $10.99. They're actually on sale, and the 2 of them are going to total $21.98. I don't have any coupon in the app for this, but you can check their website and see if you can print out any coupon. I've tried in the past, but it never works out for me. Without the coupon, pay the $21.98 and get $5 back, making both products $16.98 or $8.49 each. And another way to do this deal, if you don't want to pick up 2 of the Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll, is to pick up the Viva 6 Big Roll on sale for $10.99 and pick up 1 of the Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll priced at $10.99. The 2 of them are going to total $21.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $16.98 or $8.49 each. Last deal in this video will be the spend 20 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Normally we have the spend 30, but this week we have spend 20. Pick up 1 of the Tide Pods on sale for $13.49 and add the Downy Unstoppable on sale for $6.99. These 2 items are going to total $20.48. Check your app. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and also a $2 digital coupon for the Downy. With these 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $15.48. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $10.48 or $5.24 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for all your support. And don't forget to enter for the giveaway, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.